Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus FX607JV. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If some keys on your Asus FX607JV are unresponsive, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may occur due to debris under the keys, a faulty keyboard connection, or even a damaged keyboard itself. If left unaddressed, it can disrupt your workflow and lead to further complications. Today, we'll show you how to repair it effectively. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a replacement keyboard, and some patience. First, ensure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back cover of the Asus FX607JV. Use your plastic prying tool to gently pry open the seams without damaging the casing. Once the back cover is off, locate the keyboard connection. This is usually found near the top of the laptop's internals. Carefully disconnect the keyboard cable by lifting the latch, taking care not to pull too hard. If you notice any signs of damage to the cable or the connector, this may be the reason for the unresponsiveness. After that, unscrew the screws holding the keyboard in place. Make sure to keep track of the screws as they are different sizes. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the keyboard from the chassis. Be cautious not to yank it, as there may still be some adhesive holding it down. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the keyboard removed, take your replacement keyboard and align it properly. Connect the keyboard cable back into the connector, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Once connected, press the keyboard down into position and screw it back in. After securing the keyboard, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, power on your Asus FX607JV and test the keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning correctly. If your laptop now works perfectly, that's great news. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to keep your keyboard clean and free from debris. Regularly check the connections, and avoid eating or drinking near your laptop to prevent spills. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.